Hello, my name is Kerem Alp. Today I'm going to introduce my Code 208 final project. My game name is ShoutShot and it's played by hand and mouth gestures. Let's start the game. So we control our aim with our hands. And as you can see, when I open my mouth, I charge the ball, and when I close my mouth, I release the ball. And also there are some obstacles. When the ball hits the obstacles, the ball bounces back to us and we need to continue. As you can see. And also there are 10 levels, and the level difficulty increase when we pass the level. The obstacle and the obstacle positions change due to the level, and when the level 10 is finished, the game is done, and we have the end screen. It says champion, and I have a restart button below the champion text, and when we press the restart button, we are going back to start level 1, and like this. That's my project. Thank you.